Alright, so I just want to go over these center cap decals. These are for the Corolla hatchback, for the Enki wheels that I have on there. This is the style I went with. As you can see, it's like it's got a really 3D texture to it. It's kind of like a clear, bubble. And I've had these actually before on the RAV4 wheels. They were the Avid 1 wheels, and they actually held up pretty good. I got the tricolor ones for those wheels, but it took a while to get because this company comes out of the UK, and but it's definitely worth the wait because the quality is super high. And you enter the exact millimeter size that you want, and they'll send it out to you. But yeah, just overall, I just had really good experience with them. So to install them, I'm just gonna clean the center cap off, with just like alcohol or any type of wax remover degreaser, and then you just center up and then place it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll get these put on and go from there. But other than that, as soon as I put them on, I do apply like a spray coating on top of this as well, just to give it that extra protection. So any spray coating should work, of your choice. But just no like wax or anything that's hard. It's gonna be hard on the laminate, so no like thick type of wax. But yeah, other than that, let's get these bad boys put on.